Hi, it's Janie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be sharing with you the products that I got in my Pink Seoul bi-monthly Korean skincare subscription box. So anyway, let's open it and see what I got. Actually, I already know what I have. I couldn't wait. I'm like a little kid. I can't wait to see what I got. I was like, I've always been like that. I can remember one time when I was little. We lived way, way, way out in the country, and my mom and dad went to the store, went to town, so I knew I had an hour because it took 30 minutes to get there and 30 minutes to get back, and then probably another hour while they were in town doing their errands. So I think I was like in 5th grade. I opened up all of my Christmas presents, seen what I had, and then taped everything back. Yeah, I was one of those kids that did that. So anyway, I couldn't wait. Anyway, okay. Pink Seoul is a Korean skincare company that curates different brands and different products, and they put them in a bi-monthly subscription box, and you fill out this little survey based on your skin type and your age, and then they will send products that will meet your needs based on your criteria that you've put in during that survey questionnaire. They also have a sheet mask box that's monthly, but I do not need any sheet mask on a monthly basis. Oh my stars, I have so many sheet masks. Anyway, so they all come with a little pamphlet or a little paper here that tells about each of the products that you're going to get. They do send in a little extra as far as sheet masks, so I did get 2 sheet masks, and this one is water gel extra force mask. Oh, it has oak tree sap essence in it for optimal repairing. I have not even heard of that brand, or even I have not even heard of this brand, Politan. Anyway, that's going to be kind of interesting to try. And then the next one that they sent is from Tony Moly, and this is Fresh to Go Aloe Mask Sheet. So that's good. Aloe is really good for soothing the skin. So let's see what else I got, which I already know. Anyway, they usually send like a makeup, or what did they call this? An accessory item. So it could be like a makeup, it could be, I got a headband once, it could be different things. Anyway, this is valued at $15, and it's the Hamish lipstick. And here is what it looks like. It has the magnetic closure. It's really kind of cute. I wished I would have got something a little bit different, but that's okay. And basically what this is, because I've used it a couple times, it's like a staining balm. It's really not a lipstick. Well, I guess it is lipstick, but it stains the lips and kind of gives like that really pretty popsicle look to the lips. I've worn it a couple times. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. I do like it when it stains. See, you can just kind of barely see it there, but it does do a staining effect to the lips, so it's kind of nice. And it's moisturizing too, so. And then I got this, and this is a toner by Innisfree. It's the Blueberry Rebalancing Skin Toner, and this is $18, and this one is does not dry out and helps soothe, protect, and strengthen the skin. It has a pH of 5.5 to give your skin healthy pH balance with superfood blueberry. So that would be interesting to try. And I don't want to open it and smell it because I'm not quite ready to open it up yet, because I have some other toners that I'm doing. And then in the box I also got a cleanser, and this is a huge cleanser. I don't know what, 150 grams. Anyway, what brand is this? I have to look on this paper because I'm not for sure. It's the Vitacost Culinary Cereals Deep Cleanser. This is $8. Wow, this is cheap. $8. And the one that they sent me is the germinated brown rice deep cleansing foam. And this one is to help soothe sensitive skin and provide hydration. So that's going to be really good going into winter. I wonder what it smells like though. You know, sometimes when I get these products that have like natural products in them, the smell, I had one product a while back that the smell made me gag every time I tried to use it. And I really did try to use it. But I don't even remember what it was. It came in a Mimi box and it was several years ago. I can't get this open. Oh, it doesn't help that I can't see. Okay, I've only got that little foil thingy off there, so let's see what this little guy smelled like. Okay. I was afraid it would smell. It doesn't even smell like rice. It smells like a lotion. Like a hand lotion. I wonder how much fragrance is in that. Of course, all the ingredients are in Korean. I would have to look. Wait, there's some English here, but I can't really see it. I want to see where the fragrance is the very last ingredient. So I don't know where that smell is coming from. It's got a lot of different stuff in it. But it doesn't stink. That's a good thing. It doesn't stink. It doesn't smell earthy, and it doesn't stink. It doesn't smell like it's rotten, which is good. And then I also got a moisturizer, and this one is the Eliza Vepka Aqua Hyaluronic Acid Water Drop Cream, and this was $18. And it has hyaluronic acid, aloe, and red ginseng to moisturize, soothe, and revitalize the skin. And I did use this morning as my moisturizer, and it was really, really, really nice. But you got to look at this packaging. I mean, the packaging is just so cute. You're probably not going to be able to see with my glare from my lights. But it's got this cute little girl, and she's jumping up in the air, and she's in this water drop. So, and when you open the little box, it has a little little guy, his little eyeballs. Isn't that cute? Anyway, and it's a really nice jar. It's like a glass jar, and it's like a gel type moisturizer, so it's going to be really good for morning time. And it felt really good, and it absorbed into the skin really good. So it's definitely a thin texture to it. So it's not really heavy, so I know this won't be enough for me at night, but during the day, I think it'll work really, really well. So, and I've not heard of this brand before. Aqua Hyaluronic Acid Water Deep Cream. So, and then the last thing that I got in this, when I opened this up and I seen this little guy in here, I was like, yes, yes, yes. I'm so glad this was in here. It's by Benton, and it's the Snail Bee Ultimate Serum. I love me some bee stuff and some snail secretion, some snail slime. Those two products are wonderful for anti-aging benefits in the skin, so I highly recommend getting something like this. And this is a really good one too, and it's $27, so it's not that expensive when you think of all the good stuff that's in here and the benefits that you can get from using this product. But it says it's a multitask serum containing high concentrate of snail secretion filtrate, to nourish, strengthen, and hydrate the skin. The serum will also assist with uneven skin tone and wrinkles. So, and it's just a really nice serum. Is this glass or is this like hard plastic? I can't really tell sometimes, but it doesn't take very much and it absorbs into the skin so nicely. It just takes a few drops. As you can see, it's a little slimy, but that's okay. That's what we want, and it's just, oh, it's so nice. I used it today too as my serum, and oh, love it, love it. I think I've had one of these before. Matter of fact, I know I have, and I really did enjoy it. So that is what I got in this month's, or this bi-month, because it comes every other month, subscription box. I'm really, really happy with it. It's around $50. I think that's what it is, between 40 and 50. And I mean, you get your money's worth, that's for sure, and then some. So it's worth the money if you don't mind getting surprises on products that you may or may not use. So far on all of the boxes that I've gotten, I don't think there's been anything that I haven't used or in the process of using. So nothing's going to waste. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have enjoyed, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.